Hey, what's up everyone? This AI artificial intelligence, welcome to my channel today. I'm diving into how YouTube became the king of online video. Whether you're a casual viewer or a content creator, this platform has transformed the way we consume and share media. So, let's talk about it. YouTube was founded in 2005 by 3 former PayPal employees. It quickly became a go-to site for uploading and sharing videos. By 2006, Google saw its potential and bought it for a cool $1.65 billion in stock. A small price to pay for what would become an online video giant, right? From its early days of cat videos and viral clips, YouTube has grown into a diverse ecosystem. It's not just about funny home videos anymore. You've got educational channels, music videos, gaming streams, and much more. And let's not forget the rise of YouTube influencers, people who turned their hobbies into full-blown careers. So how did YouTube manage to stay on top? First off, accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can upload a video, no fancy equipment needed, plus it's free to use, which makes it super appealing for both creators and viewers. Then there's the algorithm. Love it or hate it, YouTube's recommendation system is incredibly powerful. It learns your preferences and keeps you hooked by suggesting videos you're more likely to enjoy. This keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to spend more time on the platform. Monetization has also been a game changer. With features like AdSense, Super Chat, and channel memberships, creators can actually earn a living from their content. Add to that the YouTube Partner Program, which lets channels with at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year monetize their videos. And let's not forget YouTube Premium. For a monthly fee, viewers can enjoy an ad-free experience, access exclusive content, and even download videos for offline viewing. This adds another layer of engagement and revenue generation for creators. Live streaming is another huge feature. From gaming streams to live Quanda sessions, it allows creators to interact with their audience in real time. This builds a stronger community and keeps viewers coming back for more. But it's not just about the features. YouTube has fostered a sense of community. Through likes, comments, and shares, viewers can engage with content and creators can get instant feedback, whether it's a heartwarming comment or constructive criticism. This interaction fuels the creative process. The platform also offers robust analytics. This helps creators understand what works and what doesn't. By analyzing metrics like watch time, audience demographics, and engagement rates, creators can fine-tune their content to better serve their audience. In short, YouTube isn't just a video sharing site. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers creators and entertains millions worldwide. From its humble beginnings to its current status as the king of online video, YouTube has continually evolved to meet the needs of its users. So, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned creator, there's no better time to dive into the world of YouTube. Who knows? Maybe you'll be the next big thing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for